So this many or much Kenyan money that much money that Kenya received from the United States government. Okay. This is like a blasphemy to Kenyans. Couldn't this money be given to Kenya for some other reason, not just healthcare? You mean, I mean, you guys, are we praying for Kenyans to be so sick? I'm always praying for God to give Kenyans good health, that not that the doctors, so that the doctors don't have something to do, or the clinical officers, or the pharmacists, or the nurses, but because why will I pray for my nation to have sick people? There's no need, you know. Remember, we have some ties with America. We wanted them to collaborate with us so that the Mombasa road is complete. Now again, we've gone there. We've gone on another mission. Money, we're getting money for other things, you know. Kenyans, no. Even if we are illiterate, I've been celebrating Donald Trump. Couldn't you read the Kenyans' mind? You know, couldn't you get information from the Kenyan intellects before you sign the deal with the head of state? Come on, this money could even support young people could be given to Kenya in like an aid to support people with small businesses, to upgrade them, or even people who want who have the mind and the entrepreneurs to even build up themselves in business. You know, the major thing that Kenyans are undergoing is unemployment, you know, and we need not to be employed, but we need to have money in our pockets, have even run a business, and afford to maintain it, you know. So Kenyans, kindly, we should not have misplaced priorities, you know. Should not prioritize misplaced priorities. Come on. But thanks to God, we are in good health. The Almighty God always says, even though times are how tough, His people will never lack nothing. His people will always, He will always lead us. He will always make us lie in green pastures. He will always lead us beside still waters. You know, because He's our shepherd. All I urge Kenyans and all true people of the world, if you want God never to leave you, always fear God and draw close to Him always. You know? Yes, but Americans, you know, this collabo you could just do for us the Mombasa Nairobi highway, you know, revive this project. Because it has been a pending project, and this was a 2030 initiative. So come on. Come on. Even if we didn't go to university level, at least God gave us, you know, thoughts. And as I always say, that I'm like God, because God, I'm in His image and likeness, you know. So all His qualities, I have them, you know. His thoughts are like the heaven and earth. No man can compare them with Him. So if I say I'm like God, my thoughts, even if I didn't go to university, they're like heaven and earth from those who do not depend on God. But how I pray for these two nations, we continue collaborating, because this is God given. We are the superior in this region and this continent, and you're the superior from the American continent. So let God's will be done.